Ever wondered what these juices can do to your body? Welcome to the world of juicing, where fruits and vegetables are transformed into vibrant, nutrient-packed drinks. Juicing is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can have profound effects on health and well-being. Each juice blend we'll be exploring is brimming with a unique combination of nutrients that can benefit your body in a myriad of ways. From the cleansing power of celery to the immunity-boosting properties of carrots, these juices are more than just tasty beverages. They're health elixirs that can help you feel better, look better, and live better. In this video, we'll be diving into 6 sensational juices: the Celery Lemon Ginger Zinger, the Carrot Cucumber Cooler, the Green Powerhouse, the Celery Solo, the Carrot Classic, and last but not least, the Green Machine. Now let's dive into the world of juicing and learn about the potential health benefits of these 6 terrific juices. First up, we have a zesty blend of celery, lemon, and ginger. This refreshing trio is not just a delight to the palate, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's break it down. Celery, the unsung hero of the vegetable world, is packed with essential nutrients. It's a fantastic source of hydration and is known to lower inflammation. This makes it a great ally for your overall health, especially for those seeking a natural way to keep their body refreshed. Next, we have lemon, a citrus superstar. It's loaded with vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Moreover, it aids digestion, helping your body to break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. And finally, the ginger. This root is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it adds a spicy kick to the mix, making this juice not just healthful, but also exciting to the taste buds. So, with this juice, you're not just treating your taste buds, but your body too. Next, we have a refreshing blend of carrots, cucumber, lemon, and parsley. This vibrant concoction is not just pleasing to the eyes, but also brims with a variety of health benefits. First, let's talk about carrots. These orange wonders are packed with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps maintain good vision and radiant skin. Now let's move on to the cucumber. It's primarily made up of water, making it a perfect ingredient for hydration. It also contains valuable nutrients that support overall health. Then we have the lemon, a citrus fruit known for its detoxifying properties. It's a fantastic source of vitamin C and aids in digestion too. Finally, we have parsley. This humble herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. Put together, these ingredients create a cooling juice that not only refreshes, but also nourishes your body. This juice is a great way to keep cool while also keeping your body healthy. Our third juice has cucumber, kale, ginger, lemon, and apple. This delightful blend is not only refreshing, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's unravel its benefits. Kale, often hailed as the queen of greens, is a nutrient-dense food that's excellent for bone health. It's packed with calcium and vitamin K, crucial for bone health and preventing osteoporosis. Additionally, its fiber content aids digestion, keeping your gut happy. Next up, we have cucumber, nature's own water balloon. It provides hydration and is a source of essential minerals that help regulate body functions. Ginger, a root known for its medicinal properties, is great for digestion and can help soothe an upset stomach. Lemon, with its high vitamin C content, aids in detoxification and boosts your immune system. Lastly, we have the humble apple. High in fiber and antioxidants, apples are great for heart health. This juice is a real powerhouse, packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your body. Our fourth juice is all about celery. This humble green stalk, often relegated to the side of a buffalo wing platter, is actually a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with water, making it a fantastic hydrator. In fact, celery is about 95% water, so juicing it is an excellent way to quench your thirst and replenish those essential body fluids. But hydration isn't the only benefit of celery. It's also a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. This makes celery juice a smart choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet or manage their weight. Beyond water and fiber, celery also contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation. This could potentially assist with conditions such as arthritis or even heart disease. So, the next time you're looking for a refreshing, health-boosting drink, remember celery. This simple juice is a great way to stay hydrated and support your gut health. Our fifth juice is a classic, pure carrot juice. Who knew something so simple could pack such a punch? Carrots, those vibrant orange powerhouses, are bursting with nutrients that your body will love. One of the key players here is vitamin A. This essential nutrient is a real superstar when it comes to supporting eye health. It helps to protect the surface of the eye and contributes to strong vision. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Carrots also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. These antioxidants are warriors in the fight against free radicals, helping to support skin health and boost your immune function. So, next time you're looking for a health kick, remember the humble carrot? Its juice offers an easy and delicious way to nourish your body. This classic juice is a great way to get a big dose of vitamin A and other beneficial nutrients. Last but not least, we have our green machine juice. This vibrant concoction is more than just its enticing color. It's a powerhouse blend of leafy greens, crisp apples, and zesty lemons. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in this nutrient-dense beverage. Let's start with the leafy greens. These are usually kale or spinach, both of which are high in vitamins A, C, and K, and are known for their antioxidant properties. They are also rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion. The apples add a sweet twist to the mix, making the juice palatable. More than just a sweetener, apples are also packed with beneficial compounds like quercetin and vitamin C. The lemons, on the other hand, not only add a zesty kick, but also boost the juice's vitamin C content. This vitamin is essential for skin health and immune function. With this green juice, you're getting a wide range of nutrients that can support your overall health.